Greetings and welcome. Welcome back to the sweet spot. Hey there, beautiful souls. You're doing great. We've had a fantastic week here on the sweet spot where science meets soul. I'm Dr. Derek Sweet, your board certified sports and performance psychiatrist. And we've been having a blast just looking at the power of pleasant words and the effect it can have on our nervous system and on the brain's ability to secrete powerful neurotransmitters and the body to secrete powerful hormones that are associated with our nervous system, both our sympathetic nervous system and our parasympathetic nervous system. So today we're going to close out with Slow Down Sunday. And as you know, if you've been listening all week, we've been hitting every day on the sweet spot with a poem that lights up the neurons in our brains and creates all these wonderful neural pathways for us. So let's go. You know, sometimes the greatest wisdom comes from slowing down. And that's why we call Sundays Slow Down Sundays here. And when we slow down, we kind of remember that we're all on this journey. We're on this journey together, and it's really important that we slow down and take it one step at a time. So let me share today's reflective poem with you, and I hope you'll take a moment to just take it in. Here we go. Slow Down Sunday, feel the peace. Let your spirit find its grace. Racing thoughts begin to ease as your mind finds inner peace. Take each moment as it flows. Let that wisdom gently grow. Slow down. It's Sunday. Breathe in deep and sure. Let your truth become your cure. Sunday's blessings, let it set the tone as your power finds its home. Slowing down this Sunday to rise up strong. Because, my friend, this is where you most belong. Amen now. Thank you for listening. And beautiful soul, this Sunday is your moment of mindful power. Your time to reset and realign. Whether you're preparing for the week ahead, reflecting on your journey, or just being present with all that you're carrying, or maybe just being with your purpose. Remember that sometimes slowing down is actually the fastest way to growth and development. So remember, my friend, when you slow down, you speed up your wisdom. All right. Thank you for listening to The Sweet Spot. This is Dr. Sweet. I hope that you'll get ready for the next week where we start all over again with Making Moves Monday. All right, so you've completed the week. You've done great. We've done a bunch of poems. As you remember, on Monday, Making Moves Monday, we talked about letting your fire leave its mark with no more chilling in the back. You watch me hit the Monday track. Remember on Tuesday, Take Action Tuesday, we said step into your light. No hesitation, pure dynamite. On Wednesday, we said win it all, raise the stakes. This is how a champion breaks through the middle, through the doubt. Show them what you're all about. On Thursday, we said trust yourself, let wisdom rise. Let that sacred power in you rise and rise. On Friday, we talked about finishing strong and igniting the flame, getting that final push that will raise up your game. Yesterday, on Saturday, Self-Care Saturday, we said it was the time to breathe, to let your spirit find release, sacred moments, healing flow, watch your inner power grow. And right back here to Sunday, Slow Down Sunday, where we said you feel the pace and let your spirit find its grace. That was your quick recap here from Dr. Sweet. And if you'd like more, join me on TikTok, join me on Instagram, or on LinkedIn or YouTube. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. God bless you.